entering number 2.
Yung kay Angelica, a good field trip moment.
Oo.
And then parang reconnection.
Sobra.
With, Angelica. It's a fun day for us.
Naaalala ko nagsisigaw ka sa isang fast food chain doon. Mission tour kami.
Yes!
Funny na funny yung dating mo.
Yes!
Alam mo, sobrang baliw mo. Sobra kang baliw.
Parang ngayon, okay na. Parang they're at their peak of their maturity.
Parang we met on the perfect, parang pinaka-perfect chapter in our lives.
Tsaka grabe yung memories nila. Lalo na siya. Iba siya magtago kasi di ba ng mga photos.
Naalala niya? I love you, Pal. Pal da Pak. Di pa rin nagbabago. Gorgeous pa din. Hindi magbabago yan. And then, na-save ko ang neoprene. Grabe. At saka, ugali mo, sa'yo lahat, 3 lang sa akin.
Sobrang bias ko yung kay John Vance talaga. Kasi parang, oh my God, nag-reconnect ulit sila.
How are you?
Ano na?
Grabe.
You like it?
Very you.
Parang hindi mo rin ine-expect na sa kanilang dalawa magkakaroon sila ng ganong moment ulit. Diba, as mag-ex, diba, bihira sa mag-ex yung magkakaroon ulit ng ganon na reconnection. Tapos, it turned out to be na sobrang good friends sila ngayon.
Tapos may I inject, sobra talaga, Isabel Oli, ibang access.
That's true.
So, it's just beautiful how you haven't seen this person for 25 years and then walang nagbago, your life changed, pero parang mas tumibay pa yung samahan ng friendship. So, it's very beautiful. And the fantastic one is coming in. Talagang top and favorite natin. Our biggest lessons and the grace under pressure moments. Ako emotional tong buong season na to. Kasi hindi ko akalain na makakatayo ako sa season na to. I'm Hearts, and this is Heart World. Welcome to another episode of Heart World with me. Welcome to Heart World here in Heart World Season 2. Welcome. Welcome to my home here in Heart World. Hello everybody, welcome to another episode of Heart World. Welcome to Heart World. Welcome to a very, very, very special episode of Heart World. There was a time na nagkagulo and naiintindihan ko naman ang mga sentiments, pero kailangan ko intindihan yung sarili ko kasi kailangan ko magtrabaho, ito trabaho ko. Hindi nila maintindihan na trabaho to. Kabuhayan showcase naming lahat to. I sell you a brand. That is the job. I'm not necessarily living it, but it has to be close to it, but not necessarily what you see on social media. It's the life that we all live, di ba? That's social media, and that's the job. So, may mga nawalan sa akin. So, for me, yung pinaka-memorable sa akin is paano ko natawid yung buong season. With them, paano namin lahat nagawa yun.
Mas naging deeper din yung pagkakakilala namin sa isa't isa. Tapos, continue pa rin yung bonding namin. So, hindi kami natatakot whatever, wave of, alam mo yun, challenge or struggle will come to our way.
Kahit ano man yung mangyari, kailangan maging positive ka pa rin. Yung lagi mong tingnan kung ano yung positive side nung problema na binigay sa'yo.
Mas na-appreciate ko yung pag-pause, yung break, yung pahinga. I mean, for sure bad siya, pero na-appreciate ko siya kasi parang doon namin mas nakilala na parang ito pala talaga yung hobbies na gusto natin. Ito yung jewelry making, doon yan na-discover. Parang mas nakilala lang namin yung sarili namin para pagdating sa next season, sa next battle, ready na kami lahat.
I thought we didn't need it. I thought I was afraid of the loss of income. I was afraid of certain bills that we need to pay. But we needed it. We needed it, and we need to trust God that it's okay.